The hospitality program at College of DuPage goes beyond the classroom. It's hands-on, immersive, and designed to prepare you for success in the industry from day one.
It's very hands-on, lots of involvement from the professors, and just teaching real-world experiences from working in the restaurant to working front desk to working housekeeping. It's been a great experience.
Our students can actually use their curriculum as a living lab. So they work at our hotel, which is a 6-room boutique hotel that is on campus, that's open to the public, and they get the skills and the experience that they need to run a hotel. We have a restaurant on property too, and they work in that as well. We have an event space that they actually do live events, and it's just a really great place to learn. It's very tactile, it's very hands-on.
At COD, we even add a little extra hospitality magic, like our students' tasty creation, Chappy Chow. This special snack mix made with nut seed butter and speculoos is the perfect welcome gift for our guests.
I think it's really amazing. Not many colleges have a campus like this where you get to have facilities on campus where students are running it and learning and teaching. And I really think it prepares you for the outside world, and that you're ready in whatever job that you have in hospitality, you're going to be ready for it.
We're shaping the future of hospitality right here at COD. Our students are learning from industry professionals and gaining real-world experience that truly sets them apart.
Whether you're looking to start a career in hospitality or enhance your skills, College of DuPage is here to help you achieve your goals.